All right, so we got this fixed to go on Edgar's rack, and Edgar really likes gorillas, but not really. So we're gonna see how bad we can scare them. Do I look the part so far?
Hell yeah.
All right. Let's see. Here's the mask. I'm not putting the feet on. I'm not putting the feet on. We'll leave the feet in there. All right, so it'll fit over yours and your glasses. I'm fat-headed. Oh my goodness. It smells like vomit. It smells like puke. Alright, how do I look?
I think you gonna make a good scare out of them.
Alright, hi. Flip, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm getting in the van right now. So, let's go scare the crap out of Edgar. Alright, let's rock and roll. This sucks, by the way, but it should be pretty hilarious getting Edgar. So now I just got to enjoy the ride because I'm going up. All right, I think we're getting a little close. This suit's hot. I'm trying to put my glove back on. I can't get my glove on. Let's see. Hi. I'm fixing to get loaded. Woo! It's hot in here. Smells like vomit and pea soup. Vomit and pea soup. Let's see. Yeah. We're getting close. Woo! I'm gonna have a heart attack in here. Sweating like a whore in church. Alright, we're going in. Alright, we're going in. Rodrigo's out there filming right now. He's opening the hood. My knees are giving out because I'm old as dirt.
Ya quite eso, ya, vámonos, ya. Ya quite la pinche puerta nomás y ya. Ya me quiero ir.
I'm sweating to death. I think I'm gonna die soon. Maybe the trick's on me.
La de atrás.
Yeah, I'm sweating to death. We're gonna edit these things together. Need to know. Did you poop yourself? Almost. Okay. Almost pooped yourself. All right. I love you, buddy.